I'm at the Paradise Valley Mall in Las Vegas again. I have a couple videos here already, but there's a lot of booths here. And this is the first thing I spot, clearance, $1, $2, and $5. This is really pretty, but I just noticed the chip. That's too bad. This is an ashtray. It's a vintage Italian ashtray, made in Italy. It's I love those colors. It's $5, but you know, be careful now. Remember in my other videos I tell you with those chips, it's going to be very hard for resale on eBay if that's what you do. So let's move on. I hunt for porcelain and ceramic pieces, real pretty. And sometimes I don't know whether something is ceramic or whether it's porcelain. Kitty vase, $8. That's definitely vintage or maybe even older. It's cute. Look at that. It's cute. What else? Don't overlook costume jewelry. I call it junk jewelry. Sometimes that sells really well on eBay. Who has the time to list all that? Maybe you do. Look at this. Look at these plates. How cute. I don't want to touch anything on that shelf because you know if that goes boom boom, I have to pay for all of it. So that's for sure. Oh, look at the peacock for $15. That's ceramic. How do I know that? I don't. I would just guess that it's not porcelain, but who knows? Yeah. What's your favorite so far? I like these dogs. Do you like those? I'm a sucker for these old. They want $22 for those mini ceramic dogs. I like those. They're cute. I like the fisherman too. That's a real pretty piece. Hiding in the corner. That's a real pretty, beautiful, delicate, dainty piece. Look at that. I love that. Let's move on. Woman, $39. I wonder where they came to the price of $39. I asked that in my other video too, where they give an odd number. That's very interesting. They've got a necklace on this bust, which is kind of weird, but what can you really say about that? It's, if you like those kind of things, I guess it's nice. What else do they have? Here's an old, well, I mean, I don't know if it's old or not. You know, I don't know if some things that are new are made to look real old. And unfortunately, I get fooled a lot. A lot. Look at this. But that's new. Well, you can't tell because there's nothing on the bottom, but I like that kind of ceramic stuff. That's cute with the sunflower on the top of the house. I like that. Will it flip on eBay? You tell me. Would you buy it? Would you buy it? I have to pay $26 here. So how much would I charge on eBay? I don't know. I think I'll pass. Look at all these little bric-a-brac, I call it. That's what they call it at the thrift shops, bric-a-brac, the bric-a-brac aisle. I think I'm ready to move on. How about you? Let's go. Ooh, that's a gorgeous shirt, I must say. Some of these vintage, and may I say I do not know if this shirt is vintage, so I'm just guessing, just by the look of it, but you know, they could have fooled me again. Could be from China and made last week, so. P-Y-K-E-T-T-E-S. Piquettes. They want $28. It's vintage, it says here. It's vintage. It's just beautiful. Look at the colors on that. But you know, I need to buy it. I need to get it for $1 and charge $26 on eBay is my whole point. Boy, that's cool. Look at that. I love those ceramic tabletop old ashtrays or candy dish. It's $11. See, it's a ceramic candy dish. That's cool. And people are buying those right now on eBay. So, you know, it's Eames era. You know, the teak wood and, you know, the wood floors and the weird lamps. That's very cool. I like that. Interesting. Some of these booths here at the Paradise Valley Antique Mall in Las Vegas have some good stuff. Really cool. Trying to find stuff to flip on eBay. It's not always easy at an antique mall because, you know, most of them want full price for it. They look, you think they look everything up at Goodwill, Savers, the thrift shops? Yeah, they do. And at the antique malls, absolutely. Ted Saval, California. Look at those shoes. Those are like Elizabeth Taylor shoes, but very well worn, unfortunately, on the heel. I like the way this person has the tags. Very legible. $45. 50s mules. Those are from the 50s. Wow. Look at this hair dryer. She wants $200 for this. Pull dryer, head down to turn on. Sue Corey Lark Pink hair dryer. It works. I don't know what to say about it. What do you think? Would you buy that for $200? Just let me know if you would or you wouldn't. Here's a cool shelf of stuff. I was at this booth before, but I don't think I filmed the outside of it. Just the inside. But here's the stuff she has on the outside, she or he. Look at this decanter. Delta Bell. That's a whiskey decanter. Isn't that cool? All of them. The River Queen. 25. Ezra Brooks. Hand decorated 24 karat gold. Steam engine. $40. These things are beautiful. It's just, what can you get for them if you know, how can you pay $25? Because it's going to be, that's all somebody's probably going to pay for it on eBay. So you got to be careful when you come to antique malls. Everything is so gorgeous, each and every piece. But if it's not 50% off, just be careful. If you want it for yourself, definitely, you know, definitely buy it. Red and amber glass flower design dish, $30. You gotta get that for like between $2 and $5 if you want to flip it, because $30 is probably all you'll get on eBay if somebody wants that. I don't even know if it's hand blown. This is pretty cool. What else? Here's a whole set retro serving pitcher. It's $15. And then these are Pilsner glasses, set of 4, $40. See, these are, what's old is new again. All the vintage stuff is coming back. You know, people want that, the Eames era. This is really pretty. I'm a sucker for prisms. And it might not even be old, but I think it probably is. Let me see. Did they fool me? $250 table lamp, 2-light table lamp. Boy, I bet that's beautiful when it's on. Gorgeous. I love these clocks. Look at this one. Isn't that gorgeous? Another $250 clock. Let's look at these clocks for a second. What? That one says Tiffany? Tiffany? Could that be a real Tiffany clock? You would know by the price. It's $14.50. That's $1,450. Tiffany Westminster chime. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at all these clocks. I love these. Look at this one. French, $475. Look at the beautiful, either porcelain or ceramic that's probably hand painted there. Oh, look how beautiful this is. Is this electric? It is. It has a cord. That's gorgeous. Look, this tag is so old I can't even read it. $175, but look at this beautiful scene that was painted on this glass shade. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh. I love it. Oh my gosh. Look at these colors. Bavarian china dish with grape design. Age? Question mark. Price? No question about that. $22.50. Now that's what I'm talking about. Look at that green color with the grapes. K&L Bavaria. Wow, that is... You know I hunt for porcelain. So when I find something like this, I'm in porcelain heaven because I'm a porcelain hunter. Don't ask me how I got attracted to porcelain. I never collected it before, never was interested in it. All of a sudden, boom, I just started loving it. And this is gorgeous. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at all those pieces. Old CARNiVaL glass. Generally speaking, the old CARNiVaL glass was made between 1905 and 1930. It's pressed and iridized. Was made in the US, England, France, Germany, Australia, Czechoslovakia, Sweden, and Finland. It's also known as poor man's Tiffany, taffeta glass, and probably others. Some colors and patterns book higher than others. Enjoy. Yeah, that stuff is really... Look at that one with the grapes. It's absolutely gorgeous. I don't care what anyone says. That is beautiful. Look at those pieces. Look at those pieces. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Some people just don't, they want to clean out their booths, so they just start giving stuff away. It's rare to see that, but they do it. And that's when you gotta pounce. That's when you gotta pounce. And just grab and go, you know what I mean? Just start grabbing and going. Just grab and go. No. I collect these. No. So this is $75. Oh, it's got the skirt. That's Scala. That's a Scala. That's a vintage. Milan, Paris, Los Angeles. Handmade suit. Look at this. Isn't that unbelievable? Where would you wear that? Where would you wear something like that? That's like a museum piece. God, it's $75 today. That is amazing. They sell a lot of that on eBay, but I've never seen anything like this. My God, it's incredible. What is this? Oh my gosh. Have you ever seen anything so delicate? Look at that piece of branch. That's brilliant. Look at that. That's got to be hand painted. They want $19. There's no name on the bottom. There's a number. 174. Gosh, I wish I knew. I really wish I knew what that was, because that is absolutely beautiful. Golly. Let's move on. Okay, so here's a cookie jar. Remember what I said about cookie jars? They're selling right now. This is Emily Cat cookie jar. And the thing about these places, these antique malls, unlike the thrift stores, is that Generally speaking, there's no chips or cracks. They're also charging $65, and that's probably all I will get on eBay. Limoges 1890s 13-piece coffee set. Look at this. Is that not gorgeous? I'm not even going to ask to open this showcase. It's $300. I'm sorry, $299.99. Very rare breakfast set. Those are a hard sell because there's some Limoges that's very expensive on eBay and some that is relatively very inexpensive.
You want me to open it up?
So you just have to be careful. But I mean, that is just absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Just feast your eyes on that. And then they have a whole bunch of cabinet teacups too, which I love. Why do they call them cabinet teacups? I figure it's because you don't use them and they're in the cabinet. So probably doesn't take rocket scientists to figure that out. So there's a bowl. It's called Fenton Coin Dot. $49. That's pretty. I think this will be the end of this video. I think I've shown quite a bit of things here at this Paradise Antique Mall. That's gorgeous. $325. That is gorgeous. What do you think I should offer on this? I really like this one. Look, there's the keys and the chime. $325. What do you think? What would you offer on that? What would you offer on that one? Alright, thanks so much for watching. What do you think about all these gorgeous things? Wouldn't you want to come here and take a walk and look at this stuff? I would. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Well, the fan is cool. Oh, and there's an even bigger one. Look at that. GE. Restored. Rare. $950. Look at this. Look at this piece. I know, I said goodbye. I already said goodbye and thank you for watching. But look at this. White's ice cream. This is superb. You want $750 for this. It's a scale. Okay, now I mean it.